I'll go to my EC2 virtual machine. Okay. Okay. So you can see that as of now I don't have any servers over here, right? Okay. So first I'll go to my script and I'll show you what is the script it says. So I'll go to my desktop and batch one upload batch and complete to EC2. Okay. Listen. Okay, listen, please. So here you can see that the script which I created. See, so what is this? It's not visible. Okay, what is this? Eh? So what is this? What is the name of this line? Sorry? So what is the shebangly or shebangly? Eh? Okay, what is the purpose of this line first of all? See, we need to let the server know. Actually, we're using bash script over here, right? See, if you're using any TCS shell or any other shell, what do you have to do? So you have to mention which shell. For example, TCS shell or any other shell that you have to mention over here. Okay. So beneath, what is it? Sudo? What is that? So two lines. What is it? Install. Okay, web server I'm going to install then. I'm going to start my server then. I'm installing CloudWatch agent. Okay. So then I'm stopping CloudWatch agent, then I'm starting CloudWatch agent. See, if you're using systemctl, then start CloudWatch agent, that will not work. Okay. So at that time scenario, we can use these two commands. So this is providing AWS itself. Okay. So next. See, yum install AWS logs. What is the purpose of this command? See, actually our purpose is we need to push all logs from our virtual machine to CloudWatch. So that's what actually we need to install one more utility. The utility name is AWS logs. Okay, so we'll discuss more. So then what I'm going to do is, I'm starting the service. Then, what is it? So actually this is a particular script. So this script is going to copy all the file from our web server to where? CloudWatch. Okay, so this is already predefined. You only need to copy the script and paste to one directory. File. So file name is awslogs.conf. So first we will do this manually, then I will automate. Okay, so write down your steps. First step. Okay, write down steps. So first step. So create a virtual machine, then attach CloudWatch role full access. CloudWatch full access role. So first step, we need to create a virtual machine, then attach CloudWatch full access. Okay. So I'll go to my virtual machine. I will create a full access role. I'll go to Northern Virginia. Full access, CloudWatch full access. Okay, let me quickly create a virtual machine. Okay. EC2. So push access log to CloudWatch. Push web server access log to CloudWatch.
Thank you.
So I will enable HTTP traffic because I want to access my Apache server. So you can allow HTTP traffic from internet. So here I'm not going to use user data. So manually I will apply this code over here. So then later I will try to execute through user data. Okay. So let me create an instance, launch instance. Okay, I successfully installed my or launched my virtual machine. Then next step. Okay, we need to create one sufficient permission for my virtual machine because virtual machine need to communicate with the which service? CloudWatch service. So that you have to ensure. You don't need to note it down in book. At least you can keep in your mind. Okay. So I'll go to my instance. Then how to attach a role? Sorry? Okay, I have to select my virtual machine then. Action. We have to go to security then. Okay, modify IAM role. Okay. So I've been already created CloudWatch full access. You'll be able to find CloudWatch full. Right. I've been already created yesterday itself. So I'll go with update IAM role. Okay. So here you can see that in security section, CloudWatch full access. We already attached CloudWatch full access with my virtual machine. Okay. So what is the next step? Okay. So I need to access my server. Then I need to install Apache. Right. So write down second step. Install Apache, no issue. You can shuffle that. First you can install Apache, then you can install like CloudWatch. That's not a problem. So install Apache, second step. So I'll connect my server. Then let me get the public API address. I'll go to download and CMD. So what is the command? SSH. Okay, tag I. What is the key name? Okay. Pem at the rate, okay, EC2 minus user at the rate and public API address. So now you can see that I successfully connected my virtual machine. Is it visible or not? Backbench, okay. So I'll become root first, sudo su. Okay. So first we need to install Apache, right? What is the command? Okay, yum install. What is the yum? Yellow dog. Yellow dog. Full form parna. What is it? Update modified. What is it? Package or package manager? So what is the meaning of package manager? So we can manage package. For example, we can install, we can modify, we can uninstall, we can remove, we can update. So these all we can do by using yum. Suppose I'm using one Debian system, then what would be my package manager? Suppose APT. What is the full form of APT? Advanced package tool. Okay, fine. So I'll install Apache first, then I will start my Apache server. Okay. Successfully I installed my Apache server. So I can go with the systemctl and start NHTTP. Yeah, successfully started. I will check the status whether it is working or not. Okay. Status. So it's working, right? Active and running. So next step, we need to install Amazon CloudWatch agent. So write it down. Install Amazon CloudWatch agent. So that is the third step. Okay. To install Amazon CloudWatch agent, what I have to do? Anyone? Yum install Amazon hyphen. Okay, CloudWatch agent. Okay, this we have to write over, then hit enter. Okay, minus y. We have to accept it y. So successfully I installed my Amazon CloudWatch agent. So first I'll try to start my Amazon CloudWatch agent by using systemctl, that command. Okay, let me try. So systemctl start. Okay, first I will check the status. Status Amazon, then CloudWatch agent. Okay, then hit enter. And you can see that as of now it is inactive or dead state. So how to activate? So we have to start. So if it is not working, I will go with the second command. Okay, start. Then enter. Activated, I will make the status again, and you can see that still it is inactive. Okay, inactive. So please write down this command to activate your CloudWatch agent. Write down. So if you don't have a root permission, you have to specify sudo. If you already root user, then you only need to specify /opt, then AWS, then /Amazon, then hyphen CloudWatch agent, then bin. Under bin directory we have a file, it's called Amazon hyphen and CloudWatch hyphen agent hyphen CTL. So that we have to stop and start. Okay. So after bin Amazon hyphen, then CloudWatch hyphen, then agent hyphen CTL, then space -m, EC2, then space -a. See, -m, then space EC2, space -a, then stop. Okay, if you specify stop, automatically the Amazon CloudWatch agent will be stopped. Okay. Modify, -m modify. Stop. Okay. So, that is append or add. Okay. So I'll copy these two command. I'll copy this. So then I will execute over. Listen, I will execute. Paste. And okay, successfully it started. So I'll check the status again. Systemctl status Amazon CloudWatch agent, it's active and running. Right? Okay, now we installed Apache server and Amazon CloudWatch agent. So third step, we need to install AWS logs. Okay. So what is the command? Yum install. Okay, 1 minute. Yum install. So 1 minute, network issue. 1 minute. Just hold on. Okay, yum install. Then AWS logs. Okay, logs. Then space -1. Okay, enter. And this is going to install AWS logs. By using this utility, we will copy or we will push all the log from our server to a CloudWatch. Okay. So successfully I installed my AWS log. So I need to check the status as well as I need to install. So I need to start my AWS logs. How to check the status? Systemctl status AWS logs D. What is the D? Daemon. Okay. So then enter, and you can see that by default it is inactive state. So how to activate? So we have to make it start. We have to replace the status into start. Okay, start, then hit enter. Okay, 1 minute. Start, now it's okay. Enter. So I'll check the status again, and I can see that active and running. Right? Any doubt? No. So next step, write it down. So we have to go to next step. Okay, we have to go to CD. Then /etc directory, configuration file directory. Then we have to go to AWS log. So whenever you installing AWS logs, automatically it will create a file AWS logs. Okay, there will be have two files. One is AWS CLA, another one is AWS logs.conf. So go to this directory, then ls command, and you can see that we have two files. One is AWS CLA, another one is AWS logs. Okay. See, first you have to make sure which region you selected. You can see that I selected which region? North Virginia. So what is the code of this region? US East 1. So we have to go to our virtual machine. Then we have to make sure nano. 1 minute, let me just select it. Okay, nano. Then we have to open this file name. Okay, I'll go to that directory first. Okay. Wait a minute, network issue. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so I will open nano, then AWS CLA. First you have to open AWS CLA, this file. Okay, open this file. Here you can see that plugins CW logs is equal to CW logs, and beneath you have an option region US East 1. Suppose if you created this virtual machine any other region apart from US East 1, you have to go to this file, then you have to change the region code. Okay, suppose let's consider you created virtual machine in Mumbai region, then what you have to mention over here? No, not Mumbai. AP South 1 you have to mention. See, if I go to my region and you will be able to find the region code over here, Mumbai, that is equal to AP South 1. So let's see, AP South 1. See, right? So reload. ആ കോഡൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞടാ. ഓക്കെ, പല ബിസിനസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ഇവിടെ. Okay, so here you can see that, see US Northern Virginia, that is equal to US East 1. If you selecting Mumbai region, so here you have to select AP South 1. ഇവിടെ ഒരു ചാർജർ ഉണ്ട്, ഒരു യെല്ലോ കളർ ആണോ നിന്റെ ആണോ? ഇവിടെ അതുകൊണ്ട് രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു. Okay, so you have to select the appropriate region. So I'll do one thing. See, you can see that already I created my virtual machine. Which region? Northern Virginia region. So I no need to select any region over here, right? So I will exit from the session. Then I will go to nano. I will open another file. So please note it down. Next file, nano AWS AWS logs.conf. So then we have to open this file, AWS logs.conf. The file, I am discussing. Okay, open this file. So then come down. So here you can see that beneath we have an option var log message, right? So we have to copy this file. So just copy this, I'll copy this file or content. Then paste over here. Okay, done. Right. So save this file, Control O, enter, Control X. Okay. So now I will go to CD, next step. CD. Discuss here. Okay, I'll go to CD. Then slash var. Then HTTP, sorry, log. After slash var log, HTTPD. Enter. So here you will be able to find two files. One is access log, another one is error log. See, who is accessing to your application? The server log will be generated or aggregated in access log. And whatever the error is generating, that is going to error log. I will open my access log, cat access log. And you can see that as of now, I don't have any logs. Why? We didn't access our server, right? So I'll get the public IP address, then I will access. So let me get the public IP address, then I will access to that server. And you can see that I'm getting one test page over here. I'll go to my server again, then I will cat access log again. And you can see that one log has been generated. And what is the source IP address? What is the source IP address? 49.37.240.50. So I'll go to my Chrome browser, then I will search what is my public IP address. What is my public IP address? And I'll be get the same IP address over there. And who is accessing, you will be get the same IP address, and source and web browser, everything you will be able to find. What's my IP address? 49.37.240.50. The same IP address we already shown over there, right? Okay. So now we have to copy the location of this log file. And what is the log file location now? Can anyone? PWD. What is the log file location? Var log HTTP. Just keep in mind, what is the log file location? Var log HTTP. Only for HTTPD. Suppose if you creating any other application, for example, Nginx or else Tomcat, so the log file will be stored in another location. Okay. So now again we will back to our nano, then slash etc, then AWS logs, then whatever the file you created over there. Okay. AWS logs .conf. Okay. So come down. Okay. So here you have to mention the file path. What is the file path? Apache log path. What is the path? Var log HTTPD access log, this file, right? So access log, this we have to mention. So here also we have to mention the same. Okay, HTTPD access log. Okay, and you can see that over here file is equal to var log HTTPD access log. This file will be pushed from our server to our CloudWatch, and you will be get real-time data. Okay, when you accessing your application automatically, this will be popped up in your CloudWatch, real-time data. So next I will go to down. So here I will mention one name. For example, this application is AWS. Let's consider, I will just call it as AWS application. Okay, and you can see the same name in your CloudWatch. Okay, so I hope you understood till now. Any doubt? No doubts. So now I'll save this file, Control O, and enter, and Control X. Successfully I saved this file. So now we need to restart our AWS logs once again. So what is the command? Okay, systemctl restart AWS. Okay, logs dot service or just logs. Okay, enter. Successfully I restarted my AWS logs. So now I will go to my CloudWatch service. So you have to open your AWS console, then search CloudWatch. Okay, CloudWatch. So open your CloudWatch. Open your CloudWatch service. What chair So it will take some time to come. Let's wait. Open your CloudWatch, then go to log groups. Okay. And you'll be able to find the log information over here. And what is the name we created over there? AWS logs, right? Okay, let's wait. Name and okay, AWS application. Okay. Bro? Control X. Control X that you can mention. Let's wait a couple of minutes. Anyway, let's wait till come. Okay. So I'll do one thing. So now I will create one more virtual machine. Then I will automate the process by using user data. Okay. Let's wait like a couple of minutes. That will come. Okay. So I'll create one more virtual machine. Go to instance console, launch instance. Then select your web server name. So I will call it as automate. I will select one user key. US is to 1. Select your allow HTTP traffic from internet. Okay. Then I will go to advanced details. So then I will paste my user data over here. Okay. So already I created my user data. I will show you what it says. So here you can see that first command. See, I'm going to install my Apache. Then I'm installing my CloudWatch agent. I'm stopping and starting my CloudWatch agent. Then installing AWS logs. Then starting AWS log. Then see, whatever the step we done over there is the same step. We'll copy this file, so then we'll paste wherever. AWS logs and AWS logs.conf, this file. Okay. So I will change this name from app history to AWS application. We can put this name, AWS application file. One space no problem. Okay. So then at last I will restart my AWS log. Okay. Let me copy this script, then I will paste over there. So just copy the script, go to your user data and paste. Okay. Then launch instance. Let's check whether it's a keyboard. Peri? Kadila. Region same region, northern region. So this is my instance. So I will get the public IP address. I will check whether my Apache is installed or not. Still it's a pending state. Okay, it's active and running. So till now Apache is not installed. We have to wait. So a couple of seconds it will come. Wait. Okay, my Apache successfully installed. So now we need to install what now? Amazon CloudWatch agent, AWS logs, everything will be automated. We don't need to do manually. So it's already created through scripts. So that will do. Okay, by sequence. Region same region. See, I created this virtual machine on Northern Virginia, right? So that's what we only need to mention, Northern Virginia only. US East 1. Okay. So I'll go to my CloudWatch agent. I will check the same thing. So I'll refresh. I'll refresh this. So till now it's not came. Wait. And one more thing, see, we need to enable what? So role as well, right? So that we have to make ensure. So go to action, security, modify role, then CloudWatch full access. Where is it? Okay, full access. Then modify. Automate to. Select one more key pair. Enable the traffic. So in advanced section we have an option to add IAM instance profile. So go to this profile, then add CloudWatch full access. Then again I will paste my key. Copy this and paste. So the problem is, see, user data that will only execute when? Sorry. Okay, that is necessary. See, while we creating a virtual machine, at that time only the user data will be executed, right? See, after if I want, then what I have to do? Sorry? Stop instance then. Just recall it. Yesterday we already discussed. We have to edit user data then. Sorry? Remove what? Sorry? What is the file location? Varlib cloud instance SCM, then configure user script that we have to delete, right? So then only the user data will be executed, re-executed. Okay. So we don't have a time, that's why I created another virtual machine, then I created a CloudWatch full access. Now let's try. So for this virtual machine successfully attached CloudWatch and all. Okay. So now we'll try to access a virtual machine. Okay. So successfully installed Apache server. I will wait. So let's give it some time. So then we have to wait. Okay, listen. So here you can see that. What is this? AWS application. So I will open this file, AWS application, and here you can see that instance ID. What is my instance ID? BB2. I'll go to my instance. So then I will check what is my instance ID. Okay. So I'll go to details. What is my instance ID? BB2. BB2. Okay. I'll go to my CloudWatch. So open this instance ID. Okay. You can see that we getting the real-time report. Okay. So just make it resume. Okay. So can anyone please get this IP address and access, and you will be get the IP address overview. So now you can see that I'm getting only port 49, 37, 240, 50, right? If anybody is accessing apart from me, so the same IP address will be see over here. Okay. So get the IP address first. No, IP address and the IP address. Sir, you have to search server IP address. What is server IP address? 54.163.3.88, and you will be able to find the same over here. See, now you can see that 49, 37, 240, 50, right? If anybody is accessing my server, and the IP address will be visible over here, automatically pop up. See? So somebody is accessing 157, 49, 157, 49. I don't know who's that. See? You can see that I'm getting different IP address. See? 117, 49, 223 and 42. Right? So from different users, they are trying to access my application. So this log is getting piling up in my virtual machine, that is pushing into CloudWatch. Okay, so further you can go with any inspection, auditing purpose, or security compliance, everything you can do. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so in interview, they will ask like what are the method like for centralized logging. So what does it mean centralized logging? Centralized logging, what is it?